Alright, so here's a quick video on how to adjust the headlights on a F150 2015 or newer. I believe the 2018-19 should be the same thing. Right now I did a level kit on my truck and the light beam was really high up there, so I dropped it, drove it around some. Now it seems like it's a little too low, so I'm gonna raise it just a little bit. That side is a little better. I don't mind maybe raising it just a little, and then this one a little more, just to kind of make it level. Okay, so alright, so back here there's a clip right there. There's little gears here that you turn in order to raise and lower the headlights. You need a flathead screwdriver. You can see right there is how it's kind of set like a flathead, and there's two little gears that turn it. Now this screwdriver here fits perfect on this thing. I don't know, just the way it kind of goes in, wraps right around it, just like that. Now when you turn this, the gear in the back turns also, but I was under the impression that maybe something's wrong with this thing because it's not turning right, but I think that this gear here is just kind of holding everything in together, because just turning it does the job and there's no way to make it move. It just clips over and over. All right, so I'm gonna go left here. And you can see how it's kind of going up very little. See it going? Sorry. You might be able to see it going up. Okay, I think I'm going to stop right there. And now I'm going to level this one up a little bit also. Got this light bulb here. Flashlight. Do the same thing on this side. Same exact thing. Just gonna... Okay, left going. I don't want to do it too much, just enough to see if I can test it. All right. So that's it. Now in the bottom, the fog lights have a little level sensor also. Let me show you what this looks like here. Okay, so the fog lights have this little screw also here. This is just a regular screwdriver. Now this screwdriver that I'm holding right now is a little too long, so it's harder to turn, but this is what just tighten it up to raise it, and go left to loosen it up, and that controls the actual fog light. Now I have these LED lights that are more like projector style, so they don't have that straight line like you do on the LED up here, but you get the idea of how you go make it go up or down here also. So that's how you adjust these, guys. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, check out my other videos on force scan, how to make all the lights turn on and off with a high beam. Show you here what I do with high beam. All right. You can see here with the high beam, you have the top, bottom, all on. That's a force scan mod. If you check out my other videos, you can see what how you can do this to your truck also. Please subscribe, like, comment, and thanks so much for watching, guys.